Hi, and welcome to Renovating Made Easy. I'm Julie, and my mission is to help renovators to simplify the property searching process so that you can get on with the fun part, the renovating. That's why we do what we do, right? I get asked a lot about how I find profitable renovation deals. There's plenty of renovation and renovators' delights out there in our suburbs, but it's not always easy to find ones where the numbers stack up. One of the ways to find a good renovation deal is to buy right. So how many times have we heard the expression, the profit is made when you buy, not when you sell? So one way of finding properties under market value is to look for mortgagee sales. Mortgagee in possession is a term given to properties where the bank or the owners have defaulted on their mortgage payments to such an extent that the bank has actually taken over the property to recover their debt. You're not taking advantage of someone else's hardship because the bank has already taken over and the owners have moved on. So what I'm going to do now is show you three really quick and easy ways of searching for mortgagee in possession sales on the internet to help you find a great deal. So I'm going to just share my screen with you and go on to realestate.com.au. So the first place to search is realestate.com.au buy. And what I'm going to do is just type in Western Australia because I want to look for any mortgagee sales in Western Australia for now and search. So that will come up with pages and pages of properties, obviously, and we've got including surrounding suburbs ticked because we want to search everywhere. But in the keywords down here, we're going to type in mortgagee and update the search. So what that has now done is searched for any properties that are for sale in Western Australia that have the keyword mortgagee in their description. So you can see, it's come up with a few that are going to auction. That in Western Australia, auction is quite often the way that mortgagee sales are sold. So if we click on one of these, let's just click on this one here in Bulgaria, which is Karatha. And you can see that in the description, it says mortgagee in possession. So that's actually just a really quick and easy way to search. So unfortunately with realestate.com.au, you can search in there, which is awesome. It's a great search engine, but you can't set up alerts for a keyword like mortgagee. So you just have to really remind yourself maybe once a week or so just to go in and do a quick search on realestate.com.au for the keyword mortgagee and just see what's come up. So the next one that I want to show you is Mitula. So it's what you need to type into Google is Mitula mortgagee in possession. And the first one that comes up is there, mortgagee possession properties, Mitula. So this is a website that's just set up. I think it's actually a full property website, but what I'm searching for is mortgagee possessions within that website. And what I really want to do is simplify my process even further and save myself time by getting alerts sent to my inbox. So the way to set up an alert is to do this. Choose an option. So we want for sale properties. I only want to search for WA. Then any house type, because I'm just going to look at everything that comes up. I want them to send me alerts to ones that have just come up in the past week. So probably each week they'll send me an alert. I don't mind what price range or how many bedrooms, etc., because I just want to look at them all and then I'll assess each one on its merits. So when you get to the bottom of this screen down on the left here, it says get email alerts, and I can just type in my email address and accept the privacy policy and activate. So then I've activated some alerts to be sent to me in my inbox for when a mortgagee possession comes up on the internet for sale. So one more. to look for, I Google forced sale alert. And what that brings up is forcedsale.com.au. And this is a site that has mortgagee sales, deceased estates, developers, extra stock. It has a little bit wider searching than just the mortgagee possessions. So I also want to just receive email alerts from them when something new comes up. So I click on register and type in my details. Down the bottom, I'll click for I want to receive for sale alerts and register. So it's as simple as that. Sorry, I'll just get back to my full screen now. So I hope that you've learned something from those 3 really quick and easy steps. If you want to learn more, I am holding some workshops to teach people the step-by-step process to renovating for profit, finding the deals, doing the numbers, making sure that everything stacks up. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll post a link below. If you've found this video good value, I'd love you to share it and maybe even comment on below if there's anything that you've learnt or you have got to add to that. So in the meantime, enjoy your property search, keep it simple, and happy renovating.